Mahbooba, this is your screen?
Yes.
Okay. Just open the Postman, please. Open your Postman. Remember, we already discussed last week that we'll be doing the hands-on today. So what hands-on I will do, if I say everybody will fall asleep, everybody will run away from here. If what the hands-on will do, because you guys do not have any basic anything on your computer, you don't know where is the link, how to access the link. So we are already collecting the data. Okay, so go to the authorization. Okay, authorization collection. Okay. Is this you got it? Is it by default or you did anything? What you did so far? Show me. That's not you.
Yes, I do it.
Okay.
It's my on.
Okay, click it. You have done all of this? Or
Sorry. I did it.
You did it. Go on the API collection on the top one, the first one. Positive, go. Positive. List of user. What is this? Single user not found. Can you click it? Who did it?
I did it.
Click it. So Mahbooba, why did you do the somebody shit then you're supposed to do it?
It start from it start before February. You can check my date. You can check my date.
Focus on my question. Why did you do somebody's things instead of what we showed in the workshop? Answer me that. None of this.
Yes, I am giving answer. When I update my day-to-day activities, I wrote down.
Do not go there. Do not go there. Stay.
I wrote down that I install my Postman and something like that. You answered me that stay basics. So I stopped you provided here because you said that I have to basic the chat, something like that. Then I stopped the going to e-commerce.
But
I just follow your recommendation. I can show your message. The stay basics. I follow this.
Stay basic. Did I tell you to do the other people API?
It's ongoing project. It's ongoing project. It was. I was there. So it's not new that I am.
Okay, well, let me verify. Can someone verify and tell me, did I ever tell you can do the third party's API testing? Except Mahbooba, can someone verify that if I ever told you guys that you can use anybody's API for your testing?
No.
Can somebody verify?
No.
Mr. Ahmed, I remember from your lectures time and again, you were mentioning that do not touch anyone else's work.
Thank you.
Because that's not the professional way in IT.
Yes. So Mahbooba, did you understand? I did not say that. That's the one, my blood like this split badly when someone does something different, because you manager blood will be splitting right away when you will find out this. So I don't know when and where I have mentioned to you or any of you that you can, and these are the API, not you. These are all tested. So have you done any API testing so far? Mahbooba Noor, did you do? Thank you. You can stop your screen.